Okay, so I'm back with the Alpha 330, continuing from the unboxing, and I found the specifications on this camera. Um, it is the same. It is basically a miniaturized and lightened version of the 300. It is lighter. If I could find the weight. Uh, hmm. 1 pound and 500 grams with the lens. I might be corrected on that. Um, Actually, it's 500 grams or 490 grams body alone without memory card, lens, battery. I guess with the lens it might be 600. But that's considerably lighter than the Alpha 300. So that's that. Um, so let's go through the details of this camera. We'll just walk around it. Yeah, this camera is terrible. Talking about my cell phone camera, that is. As you can see on the lens, it has its own autofocus, manual focus switch. There is no manual button to release the flash. You can see it is a grayish, dark gray, almost gunmetal color, if I can call that. There's a texture on the side too, rubber texture. There's a sliding door here for your SD memory stick, HDMI out, so view it on your HD TV, and USB cable as usual. There's the wheel, same functions as it would on the 300. Right now I have an aperture mode, as I always have it in. And there's the screen. Let me pop it open. You can see the significant difference there is. And if I turn the aperture, the dial actually, you can see the functions, actually the bars indicating the distance and speed of the shutter. And have it in RAW. On the side here, we'll have the function button. Compared to the Alpha, it is much more simplified, as I see. So, for me, that's a plus. I mean, I don't like pressing a lot of buttons, and just keep it clean and simple. And up top, we'll have the viewfinder and live view switch. Put the live view. There it is. On the side here, it's just a door for a power source, DC cable. So let's pop up the flash. Put it into automatic mode to do that. There it is. It's much higher than it would on the 300. So let's put on the level surface just so it takes away from the contours of the bed. There it is. So it's much higher. It's much higher and much farther than it would. So you won't get any shadowing of the lens or lens hood if you're using any in the. So there you go. So lens, 1855 mil. It is less than the 300 lens of 1870 mil. Same apertures of 3.5 and 0.6. And that's it. I'll record some more vids, hopefully, and post them up and let you know how I go with this camera. So.